Jimin and Taehyung were both sitting in YN's cabin while Miss Min Young served them tea with a slight hint of annoyance. She handed the tea to Taehyung without any anger, but when she gave it to Jimin, she looked at him with slight irritation and said with a fake smile, "Next time before taking my name, please remember it properly, Mr. Jimin." Jimin hesitated slightly while sipping his tea and nodded in response. By the time YN and Suzy reached the office, Taehyung was asking Min Young some important questions. Min Young answered all his queries easily, sharing whatever she knew. A few moments later, YN and Suzy arrived at the office. As soon as the sound of their car reached the ears of the employees, the entire office fell into silence. Sensing the sudden quietness, Min Young glanced at Taehyung and Jimin and said, "It looks like Miss YN has arrived." The fear of YN was so intense in the office that the moment she stepped in, everyone became serious. Fun and laughter vanished instantly. YN despised only one word: defeat. Whenever she lost a deal to King Group, she would turn the entire office upside down. Her company had been one of the top companies for several years, but for the past 10 years, they had failed to reclaim the #1 position. The sole reason, King Group. When it came to defeating King Group, YN was willing to do whatever it took. As Taehyung and Jimin were working on their plan, YN and Suzy entered the cabin. Seeing YN, Jimin quickly stood up, but Taehyung remained focused on his mobile. YN gave him a sharp glance, sat in her chair, and said to Jimin, "It seems your partner thinks too highly of himself. Perhaps he has forgotten that the company he has come to defeat has a true genius inside." Taehyung, with his signature style, got up from the couch, sat on the chair in front of YN, and smirked. "You are mistaken, Miss YN. The person you have called here has defeated several geniuses to become #1. YN was left speechless. Seeing her silent, Suzy looked at Taehyung with admiration and excitedly said, "No one has ever beaten my sister in words, but you silenced her the moment you arrived. Now, I'm sure that this time we will defeat King Group." Ahem. Why don't we talk about work, Mr. Versus?" YN said, looking at Taehyung. At her words, Taehyung immediately started discussing various strategies to bring King Group down. His ideas were so impactful that, despite herself, YN found herself getting impressed. Meanwhile, at King Group, Mr. Kim was sitting in his cabin watching a comedy serial when an employee rushed in, holding a video clip of Taehyung and Jimin entering Sky Group. "Sir, look at this. Our rival company has hired a top insider influencer company to defeat us," the employee exclaimed. Seeing Taehyung and Jimin stepping into Sky Group, Mr. Kim was slightly surprised. He couldn't understand why they were assisting Sky Group before managing their own company. Staying calm, he asked the employee, "What do you think? Will King Group lose to this insider influencer company?" The employee confidently replied, "No, sir, that's impossible. Our company has been #1 for years and will remain #1. We are 1,000 times better than that influencer company. That's the spirit. Now, go work on the project file, which we need to present for the tender in 2 days. And remember, this fight is not just Sky Group vs King Group anymore. It's King Group versus the insider influencer company. You already know that King Group cannot afford to lose and break its years-long record. So, do your best." Nodding, the employee bowed slightly and left the room. Mr. Kim thought about Taehyung and smirked to himself. "Now, let's see who is more of a genius, the 170 people in this company or my grandson standing against them. No matter the situation, I will be the one to win. If Taehyung defeats them, this company will get the rightful heir. And if he loses, then along with these people, he will take this company to even greater heights." With a smirk, he leaned back in his chair. To be continued. What will happen when YN finds out that the lion and the hunter are one and the same? How will YN and Taehyung grow closer? Will Taehyung be able to mend YN's broken heart? Stay tuned for Love is a Deal.